So what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Justedwin coming at y'all with a new video. And in today's video, y'all, I'm basically gonna talk about what happened in today. Yeah, it's Thursday, February 5th. I'm pretty much recording this video a little later than usual. It's already 2:42 p.m. But I'm gonna just end up recording it because I kind of had a busy little morning, so I couldn't really record it around that time. But I did say I was going to upload a video on Wednesday, just to kind of talk about the run through of basically Tuesdays and Wednesdays trade. But I think I might just upload that for Saturday for the upload I'm gonna do for that day, and basically just kind of just talk about today's trade. And then probably if I end up recording a video for tomorrow, Friday, I'm gonna try to upload it early. If not, I'm gonna just do that for Saturday's video, included on that trade as well. But basically, to not talk too much today, market was moving fairly good. As soon as it opened, I would say I kind of had, I thought my bias was kind of wrong at first. I know that a lot of people, there's one person that do be watching, he did end up taking a short right here. I don't know, maybe because I got into market certainly late, but honestly, I felt like I did not see a play as soon as market opened, or for the downside. I felt like my bias was only for the long, and that's basically what I got into. I know it was kind of a risky trade, and y'all gonna see later on when I do show the trade, but basically I kind of take profit basically right on the rejection, right on the rejection candle. And I was kind of lucky because as soon as I took take profit, as soon as I took it, it started rejecting. And basically what I'm gonna talk about on Saturday, I kind of yesterday's day, I didn't really lose money, but overall I was up almost to my lockout for take profit, which is 500. And basically I ended up getting into another play, and I thought I was on micros and I was still on minis. Ended up losing 200. But if I would have just holded that one play out, I basically would have been in the profit as well, for lockout yesterday, because that play did going good. But just because I didn't expect it, I thought it was in micros, and I just saw randomly 200 down. I just got, emotional and just ended up getting out the trade. But if it wasn't for that, I would have been more up. But basically I gained that, and I gained 100 more as well. So that's pretty much good for today. We ended up getting locked out as well instantly. And honestly, today was pretty good. Lately, I feel like the market, ever since they got the new Fed rate chair for Kevin Walsh, whatever his name is, I feel like the market, I don't know if it's, obviously I could just be chatting, but I feel like the market ever since that, if it's not a major rejection leg, for example, when y'all gonna see, right here, there was a major rejection leg that literally made it close down to all to the downside, that literally came back to the spot where I traded at. It was good trades overall. And as soon as it hit a consolidation, it just starts going up. Kind of just choppy after 10 o'clock, if I'm to be honest. So overall, I don't know. I've been feeling lately from 9:30 to 10 o'clock is really overall you can catch moves overall as well, but I felt at least for me, we're going to wait more for consolidation and things like that. But yeah, to not really talk too much, today was overall good. I had lockout for take profit, and yeah, to not really talk too much, I'm gonna just end up showing the next clip of me showing the trade and explaining the trade. And yeah, to not talk too much, like the video, subscribe, comment down below if y'all, if y'all enjoying these trades, if y'all end up taking any trades, how they went. And yeah, I'm catching on the next one. Alright, so what's going on, YouTube? This is basically the clip, or basically, as you can say, the trade that I basically took. And as basically you can see, is like I said, it was a rejection, not kinda, it was. For example, literally, if I would have waited for the trade, it would have been probably the same exact trade. just for this range, just targeting that leg, I guess. But basically, I only had this range because over here in the 3 minute, I kind of saw that we could hit this range. That way we could kind of just go to the top a little bit, I guess. But basically, we ended up hitting this range right here. My fault. I'll just A forward. I'll be having mad hiccups right now, but how you call it? Like I was saying, I ended up just targeting this range right here. Today, I ended up just looking only at the trading view for today to like look at the previous highs and like open and things like that. So I didn't really just mark it out for today. But yeah, like I was saying, ended up seeing that obviously my whole process was that when I saw this right here that we ended up sweeping this, I kind of thought that we were just going to sweep this whole basically fair value gap. I'm pretty sure that was in the 3 minute, not in the 5 minute. And basically I thought we was going to just sweep it out. Obviously it did happen in the 5 minute, but in the lower time frames is way different. Ended up just opening market, ended up just going all the way down here. I saw that I'm gonna just mark this out just in case if we ended up just come reaching it back to a point, since it's just pretty much open. But and obviously it ended up playing right here as well. That's why I kind of say that lately I feel like these low ranges up to almost 10 to like around even a little after, I feel like it was almost like the best areas to like trade as well as for me. But yeah, basically I ended up just kind of seeing along, ended up seeing this play in the 1 minute, and basically it wasn't really too much. It kind of rejected it, left this open, rejected it again, and then kind of just started sweeping it right here. And basically I kind of saw that after the trade was done, it kind of came all the way down to like this range. So it was kind of perfect for it to just pop up to the roof, and that's exactly what it did. And basically I was looking at the range when I came back from taking my little brother, and I saw that we was reversing. And basically I think I pretty much got into a range. Like I didn't get into it, but like I was looking at it, and I'm pretty sure like I did get into a range, like not here on Top Step, but on Trading View. I ended up getting stopped out, but it wasn't really a bad day overall. I ended up getting locked down instantly when I hit that range. And basically this range right here, like I did say, it was a 5 minute fair value gap. I'm pretty sure that one was just a 1 minute, like I did say. So overall today, I didn't really last too long in the market. And, like I did say, I ended up getting my profit back. But this would have been a good trade as well if I was looking at it from, like, I didn't get into the trade at this time. This would have been a good ass trade as well, because it ended up coming back to the 1 minute for the 5 minute fair value gap, ended up breaking it. And we kind of had this target to target as well as this range right here, all these ranges that were kind of open to it. So you could have had multiple take profits, took out, and got hit in one. But obviously, I'm pretty sure how the market was moving when it got to this point, it was just taking profit instantly. Because the person I was watching, like I'm pretty sure just for this leg move, like they got filled instantly. Like I'm pretty sure literally market open, boom, boom, take profit. Like it was pretty much a good trade. That's what I'm kind of saying. I do gotta add more of the equilibriums. That way I could just have always like a bunch of take profits, just in case if I want to go, more bids. But yeah, overall today, that was today's trade. I'm gonna try to see if I do end up recording for tomorrow. Like in the sense of, just getting that trade down. I wanted to get into this trade. Honestly, this trade right here, how you call it, I'm pretty sure there was a fair value gap. I'm pretty sure it was this one in the 3 minute. Ended up looking at this in my trading view. I was gonna get basically into this range right here. Boom. I don't know why I'm marking it out, but things keeps falling. But basically, like I was saying, I was looking to get into this range right here to just get into that trade to target. Pretty sure it was this range or like this range around here, or I think it was the whole session. But ended up missing the limit price. Like that's one thing. I don't know. Like obviously, like I have traded on Project X. Well, not Project X. Well, I don't know if the same thing. I don't really know. But I have traded on TradingView. But it's just like I don't know. Once I bought like the account for the Lucid, it's like my trades over there be so bad, but my trades over here in Top Step be so perfect, and I still be using the same mechanisms, the same concept. It's just I don't know. Maybe over there is because I gotta pay for like a faster timing for to see the charts as well, because I just be seeing the profit. Like let's say for example one time I was in the trade. 1 second I would be, let's say, like $30 in profit. Next second I'm just zero, and the thing hasn't moved. The candlestick hasn't moved, and then it just magically goes all the way to like in the red, and I'm just like, damn, bro, like what the hell's going on? But basically, this would have been a good trade as well. I'm kind of thinking, nah, I'm not gonna do that. But I have been kind of thinking of like taking more like actually focusing a lot way more on the Lucid just for the simple fact that they don't got activation fees. I'm not down overall, but like I'm kind of lost half of the account. So overall, I'm kind of down on the Lucid. I've been trying to look at like London and Asia sessions sometimes at nighttime for like gold, cause I don't know, I just be trading sometimes at nighttime, like on my practices, and I kind of really do be wanting to trade sometimes at nighttime, just for the simple fact that I feel like I could just gain way a little bit more profit, or not even just on my trade on my top step, but just on the Lucid. Like if I trade good, like in the morning, like literally yesterday I got profit for like $200 last night, like around literally like 12 o'clock at night. Like I don't be really posting, like for example things like that, because it's not like I know, feel me, I'm just like in nighttime. But sometimes I do really be trading at nighttime. It'd be kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie. Like I don't know why. Like it feels like trading in the morning. It does feel nice also. Like don't get me wrong. Waking up, getting into the markets, knowing you can make money as soon as you wake up. Like that's an amazing factor as well. But sometimes it just be hitting way better. Sometimes like when it's nighttime. Or that's just me. I feel like that's just me. But I feel like I'm yapping too much right now. But yeah, basically that's the trade I was looking at. But overall, this was the trade over here. Looks kind of crazy in the 3 minute, but yeah, overall today's market was significantly good. I feel like Warsh is making the markets kind of good in a sense. I feel like a lot of us gotta get started and be prepared for, like, say, for example, a 2008 crash. But who knows? There's been a lot of things about the US dollar. But I don't know. That's one thing I'm not really going to get into today's video. I really felt like I'm in that niche to talk about all those type of things right now. I mean, it don't really matter. But yeah, I'm going to just catch you on the next clip and just end it off like that. If y'all ended up liking the video like I said, or y'all probably saw something that y'all didn't understand, just put it down below in the comments. I'll try my best to explain in the next video, or even comment back. But yeah. Yo, what's going on, y'all? I'm back. I was eating some more food, I'm not gonna lie. I was eating my pre-workouts. Gotta start getting ready to work out. But nah, yeah, pretty much that's today's trade. Today wasn't a bad day. It was pretty much good. Overall, I'm pretty tired. But overall, yeah, today really wasn't bad at all.
Like I said, I'm gonna record on Saturday for yesterday's trade and on Tuesday's trade. Basically, kind of give a rundown. On Tuesday, I kind of won. Well, I did win, but I didn't win as much profit. And on Wednesday, I basically made profit and kind of lost it by getting into another mini by accident. So that's basically we're not really down. We basically just got what we basically lost yesterday in profit and a little like 100 more. So that's good also. And yeah, just try to see if we could consistently keep scaling up our account. That way we could already be funded. And yeah, basically not talk too much. That's today's video. Hopefully I liked the video, enjoyed it. And comment down below, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that good stuff. And I'm gonna holler at y'all whenever I upload the next video. Peace.